Hey, today as our first cookery video for the Spanish channel, we're actually going to do something simple, something you can do quite easy here in Spain. Basically what we're going to look at is some stuffed mushrooms with cheese and chives, something very simple but very tasty. So let's get started. Okay, just firing up the stove, just let the little pan heat up there. Okay, now the pan's piping hot. We're going to get the mushrooms and we're going to just drop them in there. Okay, and add the lid. Okay, we're going to flip them over now. They cook quite quick. Oh, it's fighting with me. And then we'll cover them over again. So, we've got the chives here, the cheese and chives. So what we're going to do is mix these guys together. So let's drop some of that in there. So let's just mix it all in. Mix it all together. We head back over here. Just fill the mushrooms up. Smokes a bit because we use some spiced oil. Okay, so now we're going to put the cheese on the top. 1, 2, 3, and then we just cover it. Okay, now we take the lid off. As you can see, the cheese is melted, surrounded around the mushrooms, and it's ready to drop on the plate. Got a little bed of lettuce here, just so we can get these out without dropping them. It's fighting with me. 1, 2, 3. Now that we're finished, we've got them on the plate, and you can season it a little bit more with a bit of pepper and maybe you want a bit of oil as well, so you can add a bit of oil on top. Hope you enjoy our next video where we'll be making something a little bit different. Maybe we'll do paella on the next one. Thanks for watching.